We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting words of French origin. How do you go about saying this? In French, in France, it is said as adieu. It means goodbye. In France, however, nowadays in modern French, it is really much used to say goodbye forever, in a very formal way. Adieu. Adieu is how it is said in France. It would be fine in English to say it as adieu. Adieu from French, adieu. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more French words whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.